Welcome aboard Neve 2022 Bali 4.6, located in Bellingham, Washington. Neve has a walk-across transom, and a powered davit. Large lockers in the back hold the propane and storage on the other side. Walking into the salon, there's ample seating, and the side windows open up further for an airy feel during the summers. There's an integrated plancha, moving into the galley. There's a large residential Samsung refrigerator and freezer with ice maker and chilled water. The galley has a large sink, fresh water, and residential fixtures. 4-burner stove, large oven, and soft close hardware. The galley also includes a reverse cycle heating and cooling unit and ample storage. This front window also opens, further enhancing the breeze. The nav station is large with great visibility. All controls are easy to access, and there's an easy touch panel, Victron battery management system, and solar management system. In the starboard hull, we have a large aft accommodations, lots of storage, and lots of headroom. There's also a private head, .12-volt fan, as well as additional heating and cooling. Going forward, we have another set of accommodations, lots of storage, a hatch, and lots of long-term storage underneath this pedestal area. There are hanging lockers and heating and cooling controls as well. There's a private head with shower. Crossing over to the porthole, there's a set of bunks, also with lots of storage. And the ability to mount a television here. These bunks share this head here, which has a shower and toilet. With the forward stateroom here, just very similar to the forward stateroom in the starboard hull. This one also has heating and cooling. Heading out back towards the stern, there's another stateroom. This one has a transverse bed, and you can see these bedding springs. These are located in all the staterooms except for the bunk beds. Currently the enclosure is stored here, nice and dry. This stateroom has its own private head as well. This is a wet head though. Lots of headroom in here as well. And the ability to close off this area with blinds. As well as this door here. Going forward, there's a set of cruise quarters that can also be used by kids and others. On the porthole, there's a large wet head, includes a shower and a toilet. And on the starboard side, the bedding. There's a window and fan and steps. Typically there's cushions located in there. They're currently removed for the winter. As you can see, there's a solid deck with ample room to recreate. During the summer, this whole area is covered in cushions. There's lots of seating space around here. A large table with folding leaves. And a door that leads directly into the galley and interior space. Let's touch on mechanicals. The generator is located in the forward area under this well-insulated hatch. There's an anchor windlass fully contained in this section here. Approximately 250 feet of chain and a remote and a bridle. The other hatch here is very large and can store approximately 12 full-size fenders. Heading out back, we'll take a look at the port engine. This engine contains most of the large breakers and a large set of batteries. The starboard engine is similar. Includes the water maker. Both engine compartments have ample room and tons of headroom. There's the water maker, the membranes, the electrical installation. Heading up to the flybridge, which is accessible from either side, are all of the sail controls. And the ability to walk onto the hardtop to fold the sail. This area also includes cushions, which are now removed for the winter. Back sun deck is very large. Solar panel here, as well as solar panels here and here. All controls and gauges are available here. Twin engines, Raymarine, autopilot, 12-inch chart plotter, and Yanmar engine controls. And finally, the Bali is known for its Bali door. This hydraulically operated garage door can close in seconds, making the space nice and quiet and warm. Closing the windows. Fully encloses the space.